4 lb bag of Halo Holistic Chicken liver recipe. Small breed dog dry food. Chicken dog food made with real, whole chicken as the first ingredient and no meat meals of any kind. High-quality ingredients. This dry dog food is cooked in the USA with high-quality ingredients for optimal nutrition and digestive support. Healthy skin and coat for dogs. Holistic dog food is formulated with omega fatty acids to support radiant skin and coat. Responsibly sourced. Halo Holistic uses GAP, Global Animal Partnership, certified cage-free chicken raised without antibiotics, and non-GMO ingredients. Made with healthy, whole grains to help adult dogs maintain their strength and energy level, our smaller and nutrient-dense kibble is ideal for dog breeds with smaller mouths and higher metabolisms. Top reviews from the United States. USA made, healthy, no more vomiting. Dog is excited about it. Love this product. My Chihuahua was on Royal Canine Chihuahua. She was having vomiting issues every 2 weeks. Cold tongue, not eating much, higher liver enzymes. Switched to this food. She's been on it a month and is now gaining weight and eating her whole bowl at serving times. I had to just switch her food because she wasn't eating the Royal Canine. I mixed it for 2 days but she didn't eat it. I had no transitions issues from this food. It really is healthy. Good food. No meat meal in it. No vomiting. Warm tongue. Liver number are declining. It made in the USA. They do get their vegetables and fruit in the UK and Canada due to strict GMO chemicals laws on food. Royal Canine is made in China. Ouch. She poops a lot more too.